Hi guys, this is a quick video about this Logitech Z-5500 whose display failed. As soon as this happened to me, I started searching about this issue and did not find many results. The main problem with this display seems to be the background lighting, which in my case still works fine. It's just the text which has failed. I came across one other person with the same issue and he replaced the display unit, but that did not solve his problem, so I needed to find out myself what the issue was. My guess would be a capacitor failure or something, mainly because this device can get quite warm even in standby mode. So I cracked open the device and took a quick look at all the capacitors related to the display. They all looked fine, and I was about to desolder the capacitors until the solderings of this display cable catched my eye. It just didn't look that great anymore. So I was reflowing all the related pins, and with fresh solder of course, and my problem was just solved instantly. So I just hope this information will help somebody with the exact same problem. For now, thanks for watching.